Philips grinder with 4 jars, black color. Model 775900, 750 watt turbo motor with 50% more power. For heavy duty grinding, edged blade design for superfine grinding, quick core ventilation. For longer motor life. Features 2 years warranty on product, leak-proof jars with double flap gasket, 750 watts powerful motor,
5 years warranty on motor. Jar details: 1.5 liter capacity, 3 glasses of strawberry shake. 1.5 liter capacity double, dome lid up to 10 liters surg. 1 liter capacity, flat lid 150 grams turmeric. 0.3 liter capacity, dome lid 3 to 4 servings chutney.
To buy this product, just click on the link given in description.